name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how important is Kaggle for data science. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates related to my channel. So let's begin our main topic, how important is Kaggle for data science. So before we begin how important is Kaggle, let us know what exactly the Kaggle is. Kaggle is world's largest data science community for data science professionals, and it's a company which is acquired by Google, and it's mainly a data science platform where you can participate various data science competitions based on the skills like Python, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, natural language processing, and different data science skills. So let's see how the Kaggle profile or how the Kaggle website looks like. So let's see how exactly my profile looks like. So this is the Kaggle profile, guys. So here you can see different sections like competitions, data sets, notebooks, and discussion. So competition is all about various data science competitions which will be hosted by Kaggle. Okay, so we'll see how the exactly competitions and all. So these are the various competitions which are hosted by Kaggle, and these are the different active competitions. If you participate in the competition, you can get the monetary awards also, and not for everyone. Those will come up in top 10 or top 5. So what are the, maybe it all depends on the criteria, like and how exactly they want to distribute the prizes. See here you can see, like if you get a first place or if you get a second place, like this. Okay, so here you can participate in various competitions that will improve your data science skills, and which is also which will also help you for your data science domain, and also it will boost your profile for data science. So this is the best platform where you can practice various different data science competitions. You can get a lot of knowledge related to data science, and here you can explore different data sets. So this is how the Kaggle website looks like. So these are all the different competitions. Okay, so let's come to the data sets section. So here you can see the different data sets. So that data sets based on education, classification, computer vision, NLP, data visualization, pre-trained model. Okay, so here you can see various data sets. Here the data sets varies from KBs to GBs. So if you are a fresher, you can pick up some of the very simple data sets, and you can work on EDA, feature engineering, feature selection, and you can explore the data sets, how the data looks like, and you can also see how many columns are there and how many rows are present, and you can also analyze if there is any correlation between the columns by looking at the data set. So here you can see the various data sets in this platform. Okay, so this is the code section. So here where the people will upload the code for the competitions which they have participated. It's not only for the competition, they can also upload the code based on if there is any problem statement for any data science problem. So they can also upload the code along with the data set. So here you can see the codes for the different problem statements. So let's see one of the data science code. So this is one of the person. Okay, so this is how it's very complicated, not able to understand. So look like Chinese. So let's see any other data set, sorry, any other notebook. So this is one of the notebook which is uploaded by Subin AN. Okay, so this is how exactly the code looks like. And we'll come to the discussion section. Here is the discussion section. The discussion section consists of general, getting started, product feedback, question and answers. So if you go to general section, like here you can see the various discussions based on the different data science topics. And here also you can meet so many different data science professionals, and you can interact with them and you can exchange the knowledge. So this is one of the very best platform if you are looking to come to the data science domain, or if you are exploring more related to the data science. So if you are very much interested to participate in any Kaggle competitions, you can also participate in the competitions. The competitions can also be an individual competition, or it can be a group competition. You can make up the team, and you can make 2-3 people as a group, and you can participate in one competition. So there are many people who do ask me like how to learn the data science, from where do I start, I'm not getting idea how to do the mini projects, where can I get the data sets. So this is the best platform. So I have been in this platform from past 4 years, and I have participated in very few competitions, but I have not won any medal till now. So this is the best platform if you are if you are planning to explore more on data science. So try to explore as much as you can Kaggle, guys. Like by exploring the Kaggle, you will get a lot of ideas, and you will get to know a lot of different problem statement, how to solve the data science problem, starting from a very small easy data science problem to the medium data science problem to very complex large data science problem. So this is how exactly my complete profile with background, with my biodata. And here also you can see the activities on which particular day I have done contribution to the data science. And guys, if you have a Kaggle profile, and if you just mention your Kaggle portfolio in your resume, like whenever you are applying for any data science problem, so the recruiters do look at your profile, and they will get to know like what exactly you have done related to data science, and where you are standing, and what's your portfolio, and what's the domain knowledge you have. So this is the best platform, and this is the best website, and it's the world's largest data science community, and it's very helpful for the data science professional, and overall is coming to data science domain, and whoever is looking for a career transition from other domain to the data science domain. So this is the best profile. So try to explore the Kaggle. So I will tell you like how to register the Kaggle. You can directly go to kaggle.com. I will just show you how to do it. You can see how exactly it look like. Okay, you can go to google.com and press Kaggle. And once you press the Kaggle, you can click on first option, and here you can click on sign in, or you can, if you are already registered, you can click on sign in, and if you are a newcomer, you can register with your Google Gmail account. So once you log into your Gmail account, and if you directly click on this, it will directly redirect you to the main Kaggle website. So where you can update your profile with where exactly what's your name, where exactly you are working, and the place where you stay. And here also you can upload the different portfolios, like your Twitter account, LinkedIn account, GitHub account, or any other. If you have your own personal website, you can upload it here. So this is the one of the very best platform, I can say, guys. Like mentioning Kaggle portfolio in your resume, really it will really boost your profile, and you will have a lot of chances to get the interview calls, and you can explain any recruiter like what exactly you have done to the data science, and what's your contribution to the world's largest data science community, that is Kaggle. Okay, so this is all about Kaggle, guys, and this is all about how important is Kaggle for data science roles. Okay, so hope you like this particular video. So please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and see you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.